Starting from its scenic landscape, historic sites, beautiful valleys, huge mountains and rugged coastline, Turkey has almost every possible attractions to offer to its visitors. Today in this video we are going to share a tour plan to this beautiful country which lies at the border of Asia and Europe. Here we will discuss how to reach there, how to get the visa, the best time to visit, the top places to visit here and the budget. The visa. All Indian passport holders need a tourist visa to visit Turkey, which you can apply online. The processing time for the visa will be around 15 working days and the charge for the single entry visa will be around Rs 4,500. I will provide the online visa application link in the description box below. How to reach? You will get flight to the capital of Turkey, Istanbul from New Delhi. Most of the time these flights include one in-between stop, generally via Kuwait or Dubai. So while purchasing the tickets, please do check the route for minimum fare. The best time to visit. The best time to visit Turkey is April to May and September to October. The tour. Day 1. On the first day of your tour, reach the country capital Istanbul from India. Istanbul is the largest and most populated country in Turkey. The country's rich cultural heritage can be seen in many historical structures that are directly connected to the Roman and Ottoman empires. And this imperial heritage makes this one of the most beautiful countries in the world. Day 2. On the second day of the tour, go for a sightseeing tour in Istanbul. The main places to visit here are Topkapi Palace. 400 years ago, it was the administrative quarters of the Ottoman empires and now it is one of the major museums of Istanbul. This grand palace includes lavish courtyards and spectacularly decorated rooms. The main place to visit in this palace is the harem, where sultans' concubines used to spend their time. Hagia Sophia. Hagia Sophia was originally a cathedral and now it is a museum and one of the prime attractions of Istanbul. Blue Mosque. This is a huge and beautiful mosque located just opposite of Hagia Sophia and is famous for its blue interiors and hundreds of thousands of detailed decorations. Hippodrome. Hippodrome of Constantinople is located in the Blue Mosque Square. Once it was a public area for various activities like chariot races, gladiator fights and many wars. Basilica Cistern. The largest cistern in the city of Istanbul, built underneath the Stoa Basilica. It has hundreds of decorated columns and is an architectural marvel. Grand Bazaar, a famous place for shopping in Istanbul. Day 3. On the third day of the tour, go to Kusadasi from Istanbul by flight. It will take around an hour to reach there by flight. Upon reaching, go to visit Ephesus. It is the most famous archaeological sites of Turkey, where you will see well-preserved ancient Roman streets, mighty monuments and temples. This beautiful Greco-Roman city was once home to 250,000 people. Must-visit attractions here are Temple of Artemis. Temple of Artemis was once one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The temple was dedicated to goddess Artemis. Basilica of St. John, one of the Byzantine Empire's largest churches, Church of the Virgin Mary. Day 4. On the fourth day, go for sightseeing tour in Kusadasi. The major attractions of this place are Pamukkale. It is a natural site in Turkey. The area is famous for a carbonate mineral left by the flowing of thermal spring water. In 1988, it was declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Here you can see well-preserved Roman ruins and a museum. Hierapolis. It was an ancient Greek city located on hot springs in classical Phrygia in southwestern Anatolia. Its ruins are currently comprise an archaeological museum. The site has the tomb of Philip the Apostle. The place was declared as UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1988. Day 5. On the 5th day, go to Cappadocia from Kusadasi by flight. Cappadocia is an ancient district situated on the rugged plateau north of the Taurus Mountains in the center of Turkey. At this scenic place, you can witness soft volcanic rock, valleys, caves, rock-cut churches and underground tunnel complexes from the Byzantine and Islamic eras that are scattered throughout the place. Day 6. On the 6th day, go to visit the famous sites of Cappadocia. The main tourist attractions of the place are Gorem Open Air Museum. These are rock-cut monasteries where you will see beautiful frescoed walls and ceiling built in the early 10th century. Uçhisar Castle. The multi-leveled Uçhisar Castle is the prime tourist attraction here and looks rustic with rooms carved out of rocks and connected by stairs and passages. Devrent Valley. It is also known as Imaginary Valley or Pink Valley. It is one of the enthralling places to visit in Cappadocia. The rocks in the valley are look-alike of animals like camels, snakes, seals and dolphins. Hot air balloon. You can enjoy a hot air balloon ride at Cappadocia and get a bird's eye view of the city. Day 7. On the 7th day, flew back to Istanbul from Cappadocia. On this day, you may enjoy Bosphorus cruise sailing between Europe and Asia. You can book this online. I will share the link in the description box. Day 8. On the 8th day, head back to the airport for departure. Where to stay? In all the above places like Istanbul, Kusadasi and Cappadocia, there are plenty of hotels and hostels available with different budget range. You may also book an Airbnb apartment. Among these options, hostel and Airbnb apartments are cheaper than hotel rooms. All these properties have online booking facilities and I will share the online booking links in the description box below. The budget. Almost all the tour operators in India provide Turkey tour packages as this is one of the most commonly visited locations. The package will generally cost between 59 to 80,000 including food, accommodation and local transfers. You can book this package online and I will share the link in the description box below. If you love this tour plan then please like and share the video. Also do let us know your opinion in the comment section below. Your opinion means a lot to us. Thanks for watching it.